Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm outside in the quarantine. We're filming a video outside. If you've heard before, they say the gas stations have the best lighting to take photos. Now, I'm no master at photography or anything like that. I just really enjoy it, do it as a hobby. But I took out the 350 today to see which gas station has the best lighting to take photos at. I've seen some dope ass photos in gas stations. That's all you see on Instagram, so I came here to test it. So first stop, I'm at Sunoco. Then I'm gonna go to Exxon, I think Sheetz or Wawa or something like that. I'm gonna go around the local gas stations and see what has the best lighting. Also, just to make this more fun, I'm gonna be taking all the photos with my phone. I have an iPhone X, but I have a friend here that has an iPhone 11, so I might cheat and use that. I'm just doing that, so if you're watching this and you don't have a DSLR camera, you can do it with your phone. All right, it is a little bit windy today, so if you're hearing a lot of the wind noise, I'm sorry about that. But first things first, find a good spot. I like to usually park right next to the like the pump itself. Kind of gives a good shot. Also, lights bouncing off pretty good too. So, all right, we're all done here. This is Sunoco, location number 1. Now I'm going over to another location. I think Exxon or what's close here? Shell? Exxon? All right, I'm going to Exxon now. We're gonna take some more pictures. Also, I'm gonna try different angles at every gas station. I'm pretty sure they all have similar lighting, but we'll see how it turns out. Also, don't like shit on me for having a different color bumper and like this is like different color. The car's in progress, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, we're at location number 2. This is an Exxon gas station. I parked right here next to that A+ official pit stop for NASCAR sign. I think it looks cool, makes for a nice photo. I'm gonna try to get the front of the car here and we'll see what we get. I don't know. Also, I have to be very quick because if the cop sees me, apparently it can get me a ticket because it says no parking. Anyway, so we'll go on with the photo. Alright, we're at our third location, which is a Wawa. This lighting looks similar to the one in Sunoco. They look like they have the same LED bars or whatever it's like, gas station lighting is called. But I'm gonna go ahead and take some more pictures here. And here what I wanna do is take the sign, like the Wawa sign. I think it looks dope with like the car and the scene. Anywhere you do it, you should try to get some like outside features to show your location. I think it looks very cool. Also add some like a little extra lighting and shit. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I'm gonna put like all the photos right after I'm done speaking. So you can go and I'll put a poll up there, over there. Somewhere on the screen, it'll pop up. You can pick your favorite. These will also be on my Instagram right here, so you guys can go check it out as well and let me know which one you like best. I don't know if all of them will be on there. Just like slowly it'll be on there, but let me know which one you like best. Also, if you have any other tips and tricks for anybody that's watching this video, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section so everybody can benefit from it. Don't just keep your tips to yourself. That's not what we do here. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. If you like the video, please press like. This is staying on hold for the piece, like right after. Like the video. And if you don't like it, press dislike. And if you want to share with your friends, I'd appreciate it. I'll see you in another video. Peace.